Decap 26, just do pairs and hobbies. And this is a sonar Stanley wall-to-wall measurer. And we're replacing the battery. We took this little battery out. These were stapled in or tanged in, so I had to pry them up. And I got to put the glue back to keep it secure. So, let's see you in the next part. Use the glue gun and we put glue all four sides and we press that metal in. And it indeed works. It has power. It's showing an error right now because it's showing an error right now because it's against a flat surface. If this open, there's a hidden screw up in the label here, and there's two on this, two right here, and that's how you split the device open. We're putting the other two screws in it. Okay, so let's try this out. Press the 2. Try it over here. Let's try it against the wall here. I think you have to have it like this. .4. So it's 2.4, 2 feet, 4 inches away from the wall. So we fixed the battery on the Stanley estimator, and a lot of real estate people used to use these because they used to have to measure the rooms. This was my mom's. She was a real estate broker, and it's an old device. So I got it working again by changing the battery. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and give me the thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video.